Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Garnett-Tools. So, while I'm sitting here waiting on this regen to finish up on said Cummins ISB 67, not a Q, ISB, I think. Yeah, she's dosing. Temperature's getting pretty close there, but for a second here, while I'm waiting for that to finish, I heard a couple guys say that it was difficult to grease these ratchets here for some reason. I don't know why. They say you need a special tool, special pumper, whatever. No, not the case. You see this kit? Lincoln sells it, ABN sells it. The sticker wore off of mine, but see this thing right here? Same tip you need. Grease fitting tip. Click that. Now, I know someone's gonna flame me in the comment section for not using the specified grease or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't care about that. Here's how it's gonna work. You take this, you plop that fitting in that hole, and guess what? She takes grease. Let me show you. I gotta set up the camera. I gotta prop it up on something around here so you can see. Give me a sec. Give me 1 sec. Okay, look at that. Had to get a little creative there. Look at this. Grease gun. Press it in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Easy, 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 easy. Look at how much grease I got out of there. How about the second one? Somebody's gonna get super mad at this. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, I think I ran out of grease. Uh-oh. Somebody got lucky. I was about to pump her full. But yeah, guess what? Greasing is easy. And you don't need no special tool. If you just, whoa, everything's falling apart right now. If you just use the right stuff, or have the right stuff, you don't need to have a special tool that you consider only for that greasing that when you have a kit like this, which you use to grease everything. That's what you're supposed to do, right? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but like I've always known that things like this exist. There's even one that's not in here called a needle greaser, where you actually have to pierce something and grease it. You know what I'm saying? Like you stick a needle in something soft and grease it that way. Well, maybe, I don't know, maybe I work on more variety of things than others. That's really all I have for you. If you like this video, drop a like, get subscribed, be a friend, tell a friend. But, hey, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.